This etude is often treated like a gym session for the right hand. But Chopin wrote something far more poetic. This is a vision of flight, graceful, soaring, divine. Each right hand broken chord should feel like the arc of a cathedral vault, one sweeping motion, not individual notes. Let the hand float effortlessly, like wings gliding on air. Don't dig, rise. Keep the musical sections in mind and try to connect them with musical expression. One harmony leads to the other, gives a different mood or answers on the previous one. The left hand must be calm, steady, supportive. It anchors the piece, while the right hand soars. No rushing, no force. The foundation gives the flight its meaning. Don't forget that the left line is of utmost importance musically and should be treated really like two musicians playing with each other and of course supporting each other. The melody in the left hand is supported by the key notes in the right hand hidden inside the arpeggios. Don't force it, shape it. Let it emerge naturally through touch and timing, not volume. It's the soul of the piece, not just decoration. If done well, like old school grandmaster pianists do it, the etude sounds like a musical story and not a mindless, quick workout. Too much pedal will turn this piece into fog. Use just enough to connect, never to smear. Let the listener hear the spaces between the parts where it's musically necessary, but never let the pedal ruin your storytelling. This etude shouldn't be about showing off despite its difficulty. It's about showing how to make the music fly, shine, and speak. If you can find the balance between physical strength, music making, and storytelling, you'll stop playing notes and start drawing skies and stars. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos about music, piano, interpretation, emotion, and everything that makes music great and human. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon and have an awesome day.